In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Shuriken Phighting Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can choose and play as Shuriken. So you can play as Shuriken when you join a public server or a private one. I'm going to demonstrate the gameplay of Shuriken in a private server, but like I said before, you can absolutely join a public one if you prefer. So when you join Fighting, you will load in and you will be able to pick your character once you get into a match. So I'm going to choose play. Again, I'm doing this on a private server, but you can absolutely follow along on a public one. And if you look under the ranged characters, you will be able to find Shuriken. So these are going to be the abilities. They will have a passive as fast as the wind, ability 1, traverse the horizon, primary, stars of the storm, ability 2, illusions of the smoke, secondary, stability betrayer, and finally, the finisher, guillotine blossom. You can click on any of these if you would like more information. So for the passive, you gradually gain bonus haste and bounce. Being hit decreases your haste and bounce, and it regenerates after 3 seconds of not being hit. Press jump while near a wall to perch onto it. So you have an emphasis on moving and dodging attacks as much as possible. Primary, Stars of the Storm, will fan 3 shurikens. You can hold to charge them to fire forward, and hitting enemies from behind will deal extra damage, applying anti-heal as well. Stab of the Betrayer is your secondary, where you charge and stab forward, piercing and slowing enemies hit. Enemies hit from behind will also have the same effects as the primary. Ability 1 will grapple you into a surface, dash to it, and perch. Losing HP while traveling will cancel this grapple, so you must jump to cancel the grapple early and retain momentum if you want. Ability 2, Illusions of the Smoke, will make you invincible but briefly become visible if you are damaged or if you get too close to enemies. You can tap E to quickly make you invisible, and holding E will turn you invisible after a delay, granting speed boost and creating an explosion around you when you exit the invisibility. And finally, for the finisher, you will unleash 5 shurikens that spin around you to apply anti-heal. After 3 seconds, you will fire them forward. So you have an emphasis on moving a lot and not getting hit. A lot of your abilities will get cancelled if you get hit. So for example, this grapple will get cancelled if you get hit midway through. You have an emphasis on getting behind enemies, so you can apply anti-heal when you attack them from behind. And you can use abilities like your E to get invisible and reach the backline of the enemies with ease. As long as you are able to attack them quickly and from behind, you will make the most out of Shuriken. Now, before I end this video, I want to highlight something that I've noticed when I check the channel metrics. As you can see, 83% of people who are watching our videos are not subscribed. If this video or any other one that we've made helped you, consider subscribing. It supports the channel a lot, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.